Going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have now approached to pause MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4 hour chart, we still remain in pause MACD and we're seeing signs of a converge. We're still above the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary support at a price of $47.20. As for the daily chart, we have now reached to pause MACD. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, my long entry is at $43.50, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $48 and my stop loss is at $42.91. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $51.22, and my sell target for it is at $44.15, and my stop loss is at $54.69. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, and to the downside a 67% chance to fall between -3 to -5.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.